Hi and welcome to Afrios Answers. My name is Shannon and today I'm going to show you how to update your ClientZone password via ClientZone. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Enter your login details. Click on the My Account tab. On the left-hand side, select on Access Details. At the bottom, under Update ClientZone Password, next to New Password, enter your new password. Next to Confirm, enter your new password again. Click Change. You'll be notified that you have successfully updated your ClientZone password.
Hi, John, CEO of Afrios here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrios.com.